This was all done by your client when his bucket of tools went flying when he was running from the rain while disconnecting their temporary line. Lawn tools went flying everywhere when this happened. Now let's go to the driveway. This was a brand new driveway. It ruined it. This is 211. Why? Because the first one was an inch higher than the old one. This is not properly anchored to the new one. Not to mention, they used a different size stone. So it does not match. It never will match. It's also heaving up in the middle. You can see right there. My driveway used to slope down to the street. Because your client did the street wrong, now when water goes down my driveway, hits right here, pools, and floods into my yard because water can't flow uphill. Now let's look at some rocks. They're everywhere. Oh, here's a good one. Look at them all everywhere. And this is what they call repairing my grass. Let's go for some more rocks. Look at them all. Everywhere. No wonder that while mowing my grass, rocks would go flying and hit a car right here in the street. Ooh, here's a good one. Compared to my hand, it's pretty big. Every time it rains, more get washed to the surface. Speaking of when it rains, the street, because it's up so high, now floods into my yard. This area is constantly flooded out every time it rains. Never used to be like that. Notice how high the curb is right there in the yard? Because they took it down. They did not restore my property to what it was before. It's very evident in that garden, how the garden sinks down. Right there now. My front yard. It's ruined. Used to have, oh, there's the pile of rocks. Used to have a sidewalk, but they never replaced it. Jeez, more rocks. Used to have a sidewalk. Not anymore. Look at all the rocks. Here's a good one. This is ridiculous. Jesus Christ, they're everywhere. I also get a nice pool right there now. Never used to have that. You can see the slope in the driveway, how it goes back up. I'm done being patient. You can either contact me first thing Monday morning with a final resolution offer, or I will be filing in court by noon on Monday. I will be suing for the cost of my driveway replacement, to repair my yard, and to replace my siding, which I'm told they can't match due to the color lot. Whatever, it's old. You have to buy it at the same time. It's not my fault. I purchased my house 3 years ago, and there was nothing wrong with my siding until Latour came through and did their damage.